touches on each staircase and interior walkways. So we invited public and view the arrival of Operation Lionheart.
All right, thanks for bringing the toys. No problem.
Then Shiloh and the rest of the fleet finished cleaning.
Whoa, can you go down there? Emergency exit only.
Like all the way back there.
Yeah.
But if this place was not here,
Yeah.
there's no other place for the animals to go, so we have to do something.
You know, in Kenya we have one drive the reserved areas. They are not defunct, but it's just vast tracts of land full of wild. She was there in one of them, Samburu Game Reserve. So nobody lives there, but the animals live there. So you can drive, seeing them, and they live there permanently.
Great.
So, do we have game reserves here in United States?
We don't.
Areas where it's a forest or grassland.
We have national parks.
Yeah, national parks. Taken care by the government.
We have national parks, and then I guess it's not regulated by geography, but it's regulated by animal, where they'll have hunting season for this type of animal, and then you have to get a hunting permit, and that can happen on government land or on private land, but you have to buy a permit to hunt.
No.
Hello.
It's an amazing establishment.
The
way we came?
miles a long way, but I'm riding with Grandpa Tony. Did you get the front here?
The Life of Pi. I can hear her breathing. What are you waiting for? Nobody called you back. So he said he was a teacher, right?
Yeah, interesting. And they don't like somebody to take a photo of the entrance.
To do what?
Take a photo of the entrance.
You're not really supposed to stop there either.
I think we're supposed to go, yeah. He was very nice to us. I don't want to upset him.
Sure. Honestly, yes. Very nice.
Yeah.
When you said he would be coming to meet us, I said maybe this is a very busy person, so he might not really get time to.
Last night I thought I would ask if he could meet us.
Yeah.
But I said I won't mention it.
Yeah.
Because the expectation level will grow, and if it doesn't happen, it will be a disappointment.
Yes.
So just at the very second I got there, I said, "So, would Mr. Craig be available?"
You called him?
No. I just asked at the front desk.
Yes.
Before we went out on the walkway, I just asked, what's Mr. Craig's schedule like today?
Yes.
And then, oh, he's very busy. He's very doing this. And then when we got back, he said, yeah, Mr. Craig's going to come down. So that's lovely.